Be comfortable with being uncomfortable. How is that even possible? I've been counting the days for over a month for this trip, and as it got closer, the nerves started kicking in high gear. I'm a pretty big planner and researcher, but for some reason I just couldn't get 100% comfortable for the days ahead. I'm a desert guy. Woods, mud, deep water, this is all new to me other than watching hours of YouTube videos. But what I do know, with the help of close friends and the experiences I've already done, this might be a great opportunity. Packing up and heading out to the trailhead the first morning, I had a million things going through my mind. I have my wife sitting next to me, friends following me in their Jeeps and an ATV, and it's all up to me to guide them to the unknown. Other than what I've been able to see on the internet and YouTube, wanted to make sure everybody was aired down, everybody was safe, they were ready. And then once we transferred from pavement to dirt, the beauty of the island kicked in and my Jeep took over. Warthog was in his elements, and he let me know through the steering wheel, "You got this."
Falling underneath what we've become, and we battle and we break it and we run. Easy doesn't seem to play this game, and we struggle in slow motion and we fade. How do we hold on now? Can we find a way out? Will it ever be the same? Shadows coming over, memories grow colder. Will it ever be the same? Ooh, silence, I don't get to hear your voice. In the chaos, in the fire, watch it blaze. Helpless, why'd you have to pin us down? We've been hiding, we've been seeking, now we're found. How do we hold on now? Can we find a way out? Will it ever be the same? Shadows coming over, memories are colder. Will it ever be the same?
The variety of terrain Drummond has to offer has built my confidence levels within my Jeep, my judgment, in leading a group. Now when it comes to navigating and reading Gaia, Onyx, paper maps, let's just say that's still a work in progress. If it wasn't for Zane bringing his ATV and scouting ahead, we would probably still be out on the island doing big circles asking ourselves, didn't we already go through this section?
Passenger. Good. Passenger. More passenger. There you go.
Speaking of navigating, we found ourselves in the tank traps, which I was determined to avoid, but we ended up doing it anyway.
We're taking the long way home. We're breathing the endless road. We're taking the long way home. We'll make it up as we go.
And we'll drive all night, miles from the city. And we'll close our eyes, 'cause I'll go where you lead me. Yeah, I'll go where you lead me.
We're taking the long way home. Two hearts and the great unknown. The time flies, so take it slow. We'll find a way on our own.
And we'll drive all night, miles from the city. And we'll close our eyes, 'cause I'll go where you lead me. Yeah, I'll go where you lead me.
With managing through new challenges and testing our capabilities, we reached the end of our journey. Or maybe it was just the beginning of more to come. It was time to head back to our own little piece of paradise for the last night to unwind, eat, have some downtime fun before our long drive home. Thanks for watching. My name is Shannon, and this is War Dog Overland.